Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's deep dive, we're reviewing Sezzle in 2025. And this isn't just your usual service level overview. We're breaking down everything. How it works, real time, all the new updates, what's changed over the years, what people are saying now, and whether Sizzle is still worth it or if something you should pass on it. So grab your coffee, sit back, because if you've been thinking about Sizzle to split up your payments or building credits in 2025, this is the only video you need. Let's start with the basics. What's Sizzle? Sezzle is a buy now, pay later BNPL platform that lets you break down your purchase into 4 easy payments over 6 weeks. All interest free, you make your first payment at the checkout, and the remaining balance is split into 3 installments, due every 2 weeks. Now, Sezzle isn't a new, it's been around for a few years, but 2025 Sezzle is a completely refined version of what it used to be. Not only you do you get flexible payments, but you can now get credit building, a virtual card, better app support, and even longer financing options in some cases. How Sizzle works in 2025. Full breakdown. So, you shop at a store that supports Sizzles, online or in store. You'll see Sizzle listed at the checkout. Choose it and then log in or create a Sizzle account. Creating an account is super quick and doesn't require a hard credit check, just a soft one that won't impact your credit score. Once approved, you will pay 25% of your total upfront, and Sezzle automatically schedules the next 3 payments every 2 weeks. You can link a bank account, debit card, or even certain prepaid cards for payments. If you want more flexibility, Sezzle Premium allows rescheduling your payments with more options. And here's the best part. There is no interest on the 4 payments plan and no hidden fees. If you pay on time, but if your payment fails, your account may be paused and you'll be charged a failed payment fee, although you get a 40-hour grace period to fix it. What's new in Sezzle 2025? Sezzle has leveled up. Let's walk through the biggest new features added this year. Number 1. Sezzle Virtual Card, Spend Card. This is the major game changer. You can now apply for Sezzle branded MasterCard, which acts like a debit style BNPL card that be used at any merchant that accepts MasterCard. It works both online and in physical stores, even if the store isn't Sezzle partner. Sezzle Up. If you want to build a credit, Sezzle now offers Sezzle Up, a feature you have to opt onto. Once activated, your on-time payments get reported to the credit bureaus, which helps improve your credit history and boost your score over time. This is great for students or anyone new to credit. A premium tier. For a monthly fee, Sezzle's Premium offers extra perks like payment reschedules, priority support, early access to promotions, and exclusive merchant deals. In 2025, premium members also get early access to longer term financing plans, which Sezzle is starting to roll out in phase. Number 4. Mobile app upgrades. The Sezzle app now offers a budget tool, notifications, account management, and tracking for your virtual spend card. You can see exactly when your next payment is due and even get reminders. It's a smoother, faster, and way more user friendly than it was a couple years ago. Who can use Sezzle? Sezzle is currently available to US and Canadian shoppers, and the minimum requirements including being 18 plus, having a valid phone number and email, and linking a supported payment method. No traditional credit history is required for most purchases. It's perfect for college students, freelancers or gig workers, a first-time credit users, and anyone who wants to split payments without interest. Is Sezzle safe and legit in 2025? Absolutely. Sezzle uses bank level encryption to protect your personal info. Payments are securely processed and their reputation has remained strong, especially now with the credit building angle. They've partnered with big name retailers and their policies have become more transparent than before. Still, missed payments can pose your account or lead to fees. So while it's flexible, it's not free money. You still need to be financially responsible. Let's talk about pros and cons. What is the pros and cons using Sezzle app? Pros: no interest if you pay on time. Next, soft credit checks only. Also, AD sign up and approval. The next one is now reports to credit bureaus via Sezzle app. The next one is virtual card extends usability. Also, mobile app plus budgeting tools. The final one is premium membership with exclusive deals. What are the cons using Sezzle app? Temptation to overspend, payment failures can freeze your account. Some merchants may not support Sezzle directly, not available in all countries. And the final one, credit building is optional, not automatic. Real user experience in 2025. Based on user reviews and forums in 2025, most people say Sizzle is convenient, transparent, and easy to use. Shoppers appreciate the lack of interest in the clear payment schedules. People love that Sizzle app actually shows the result on credit reports, and the spend card has made a big difference in usability. However, some users still report glitches in the app and delays in support responses, especially during payment issues or account freezes. So it's not perfect, but it's improving. Final thoughts: worth it or leave it? Sezzle is absolutely worth it in 2025. If you're disciplined, the 4 payment plan, zero interest, new credit features, and the spend card make it one of the most useful BNPL platform out there right now. But if you're the type who forgets due dates or lives paycheck to paycheck, using Sezzle without a plan could lead you to trouble. Remember, these are still real financial commitments, not free passes. So use Sezzle smartly, and it can actually help you budget smarter and build your financial reputation. Alright, guys, that wraps up our deep dive on Sezzle in 2025. If you had any experience using Sezzle, good or bad, let us know down in the comments. And if this review helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest guides like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.